We're here at the boeck stand. Dr. Jochen Boeck, this is your company. It's all about deburring and surface finishing.
And edge rounding of sheet metal parts. Yeah, we are a producer of different kind of tools for deslacking, for example, to remove the big slacks from the sheet metal parts after plasma cutting. And we also
I think it'll be good just to look at all the different tools. And so this one, like I say, this is for plasma cutting.
Yes, to remove the slack residuals on the surfaces with that hammer tools here, as you can see here. And we're also doing grinding stuff for deburring to remove the sharp edges after laser cutting, for example.
What sort of accuracy will this go to? Or I suppose different surface finishes?
Yeah, first of all, it's just actually not for the surface finishes here in the first step. It's just for removing the burrs.
Right, okay. So on to the next one, please.
Here we are talking about the edge rounding. We also want to have very smooth and rounded edges, to have hand-friendly parts, and in the first step for the painting, to have a good stick of the paint on the surface.
Okay.
Yeah.
So those smooth edges ensure that paint will adhere to the component.
Yes, that's it.
The next one then, please.
We also produce quick feeding systems for the tools, because all the customers want to have a fast tool exchange. So we not only thinking about the edge rounding, we also want to have that tools are changed very fast.
Absolutely. I mean, they want to keep the spindles turning, whatever it may be, as quickly as possible. That's why. Yeah. So what's this one in the background? Is that the same thing?
It's also for edge roundings. There are two different kind of tools actually. It's one tools are the wheels.
Yep.
And one tools are the disc brushes, the cup brushes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, now these, very different. What's going on here?
Another process step is the oxide removal. You are doing the removal of black oxide layer on the edges of the parts after laser cutting. Okay. It's also a process you have to do in advance of the painting.
Right, okay. And last but not least?
This is the finishing process. When you want to have a nice, shiny surface, you use that kind of polishing discs or grinding disc to have a very nice surface.
There you go. And what sort of machines would these fit on?
You can see all the machines here in the hall.
That's it.
Yeah,
Simple
and it's very simple. Yeah.
There you go. Bit of deburring, finishing from boeck. Can I pronounce that correctly?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.